Gutenberg blocks are a crucial aspect of WordPress, especially since the introduction of the Gutenberg editor in 2018. This editor replaced the classic WordPress editor and introduced a block-based system for creating content. In this guide, we will cover everything a beginner needs to know about Gutenberg blocks in WordPress in 2024. Gutenberg blocks are the building blocks of your WordPress content. They allow you to create various elements like paragraphs, headings, images, galleries, lists, quotes, and more. These blocks can be combined to create visually appealing and structured content. When creating or editing a post or page in WordPress, you will see the option to use the classic editor or the block editor, Gutenberg editor. Choose the block editor to begin working with Gutenberg blocks. To add a block, click on the plus icon located where you want to insert the new block. A menu will appear with various block options. You can search for specific blocks using the search bar at the top of the menu. There are several basic blocks that you will use frequently, such as 1 paragraph for writing text content, 2 heading for creating headings of different sizes, H1, H2, H3, etc. 3 image for adding images to your content. 4 gallery for creating image galleries. 5 list for creating ordered or unordered lists. 6 quote for adding quotations to your content. As you become more comfortable with Gutenberg blocks, you can explore advanced features like 1 columns to create multi-column layouts, 2 cover to add a background image or video with overlaid content, 3 to combine multiple blocks into a single unit for styling purposes, 4 button to add clickable buttons to your content, 5 custom HTML to insert custom HTML code into your content. Each block comes with its own set of styling options. To access these options, click on the block and look for the block settings sidebar on the right side of the editor. Here you can change the block's style, alignment, and other settings. If you find yourself using the same block combination repeatedly, you can save it as our usable block. This will save you time and effort in the future. To create a reusable block, select the content, click on the 3 dots menu, and choose Add to Reusable Blocks. Many WordPress themes and plugins offer their own custom blocks. These blocks can help you create unique and specialized content for your website. Always ensure that the plugins and themes you use are compatible with the latest version of WordPress and the Gutenberg editor. Keep your WordPress, themes, and plugins updated to ensure compatibility with the latest version of the Gutenberg editor. If you encounter any issues, try searching for solutions online or reaching out to the plugin or theme developers for support. Gutenberg blocks are an essential part of WordPress, offering a flexible and user-friendly way to create content. By following this step-by-step guide, beginners can easily understand and utilize Gutenberg blocks to enhance their WordPress website.